To show Google Education notifications icon pages in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, and then tap settings for Google Apps. Tap search assistant and voice, and then select notifications. Tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find education, and then tap education. To show Google Education notification icon pages, tap up icon pages switch until blue, or to hide, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.